Hey peeps, product review time. Yes indeed. So here we go. If any of you guys ever had cream chip beef, you know the wonderful taste it is. And this I actually caught on a manager special, $3.99. This is normally about $5, $5-6 somewhere, some crazy amount of money. So basically, we take this, you put it into a pot of hot water, and you let it cook. And once it's done, you toast. You can either put it on regular bread or toast it, which we're going to do both on this product review. And then we're going to. I already know what it's going to taste like, but I'm doing this for you guys. But here's the bad part about it. One, the calories for the bread is, you're looking at least 80 calories per slice, not include the carbs and all the other nasty stuff. But this here, there's 2.5 servings in here, and the serving size is half a cup. It's 160 calories. Out of that 160 calories, 100 of the calories out of the 160 is pure fat. Total fat is 11 grams, which is 17% of your daily intake. Saturated fats are 4.5 grams, which is 23%. No trans cholesterol is 40 milligrams, which is 13%. Sodium is 580, which is 24%. Lots of sodium, guys and gals. Total carbs is 9 grams, which is 3%. Sugars 2 grams, protein 6. Vitamin A 4%, calcium 2%, vitamin C 0, and iron 6. Body wise, useless. Taste wise, yummy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cooking. I'm going to add a little water to it. Let me move this over so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I'm just going to throw it in here just the way it is. You don't have to do anything special. And just let it cook and heat up. And then you rip the package open and you eat it. I will be back. So this should be right about ready now. Yeah, it is. It's nice and hot. Go ahead and turn this off. I'm going to transfer it from here to here. Where's my scissors? Now be careful, because this is smoking. Oh, I see it has a tear spot. Let's see if it actually works. Yeah, it kind of sort of works. So be careful, because this is hot. You don't want to burn yourself. Okay, so we're going to try it on 2 different types of bread. I usually prefer mine on toasted. And so we got one white, one toasted. I'll eat it on either one, but toasted is my preferred choice. Oh yeah, I haven't had any. Now, if any of you old heads out there, there's a name for this, and I won't say it on the channel, but it's called S on the Shingle. And you can go look up what the S is for. It is basically, that is hot. So, you can pretty much eat it with regular bread or toasted. But like I said, I prefer mine toasted. But I'd eat it either way. That is definitely cream chip beef. Creamy. Oh, yes. We'll try toasted. Which it's usually a little bit better because the bread is more crispier. Well, again, wow, that is really nice. Now, I got this particular brand from Food Lion. And of course, it must have been on one of the sale days because I got it on sale. I wasn't going to spend $6 for it. That's crazy. Oh, that is so good. Now, is it the most healthiest breakfast? Probably not. Does it offer any significant value to your meal, daily intake? It doesn't. The carbs in the bread, and then the cream chip beef is out of the 160 calories, I think over half of the calories that you're eating from this is pure fat. If you were in the frozen tundra and haven't been eating very well, yes, this will probably help you out a lot because it will supply you with the fats that you're missing. But in the modern day world, absolutely useless. But is it tasty? Is it worth eating? Absolutely. I don't care what anybody say. S on the shingle is still one of my very favorite breakfast treats that I don't really eat very often. So let's talk about it. Texture, taste quality, right around 9.8. Absolutely delicious, tasteful, but is it guilt-free? No, it's not the most healthiest diet you want to eat. Oh, and it just tastes so good. Because things that tend to taste good tend to be horrible for you, and that is the way life is. And this is one of these meals where it tastes good, but horrible for you. Taste-wise, great, 9.8. Health-wise, somewhere near the 5 area because it's not very healthy. It doesn't really offer enough of the essentials. Way too much fat, way too many carbs from the bread. Even if we eradicated the bread by itself, let's see what the carbs is. 9 grams of carbs in this by itself, and that's assuming that you eat only a half cup. There's 2.5 servings in this bag, in this small bag, which is not a lot. But it's kind of hard to eat it without the bread because the bread is what adds. It's like eating a cake without the frosting. The cake does it, but the frosting is the extra boost. That is so delicious. So, cream chip beef, health-wise, but you try for yourself. Until next time, family, you take care of yourself, live long, be happy, and once in a while, say hi to someone. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.